How to remove music from a video but keep voice on Capcut. First thing you do is go ahead and open up your Capcut application. Then from here, you're going to have to open up your project. So simply go ahead and open up whichever project you want to remove the background voice from. So for example, if I just want to do it from this video, what you want to do is first extract the audio from here. So simply tap on it, and then from here, you're going to have to click on separate audio. And then here you can see different options like vocals, instruments, drums, bass. So you can separate all of these audios, and you just have to select vocals and it will isolate the vocals only. So click on separate, and then here you can minimize the audio from the video as well. So you can mute the video from the audio and only the vocals will be separated. So as you can see here, the audio has been extracted. So what you want to do next is tap on the audio, and then from here you are going to have to click on the separate audio option, or you could just go ahead and click on audio effects. Here you can add different kind of effects on the audio. And like before, you could just separate the vocals. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you next time.